this is a part of lab tour. We'll go through various types of instruments that we'll be using in cannabis and pharmaceutical industry. So here is the first instrument that's called dissolution apparatus. It's commonly used in pharmaceutical industry. So drug dissolution is very critical aspect because it provides in vitro drug release profile that mimic when the drug is dissolved in physiological pH in your body. So it's a very critical instrument for in pharmaceutical industry. So this is a second instrument that is also commonly used in pharmaceutical industry. It's a gas chromatography instrument. The model we are looking at here is Agilent model 6890. So we commonly used this instrument for the training, where in pharmaceutical industry we use for residual solvent analysis as well as potency testing. That could be for any types of pharmaceutical products. So this is the most common type of column that is used for gas chromatography instrument. It's a capillary column. It has approximately 30 meter length and with 0.25 internal diameter. This helps with all types of analysis, residual solvent, potency testing. So we just wanted to show you the type of column we use. So oftentimes when we are using gas chromatography, we would like to measure the flow rate, the actual flow rate of the gas flowing through the system. Compared to the software, we can measure it manually with this flow meter. It measures the flow rate, as per the actual flow rate. So this instrument is one of the most popular instrument that is used in pharmaceutical industry. It's called HPLC, High Performance Liquid Chromatography. During the lab training, I actually go through each components of this instrument. So starting with the pump, the degasser pump, then you have the detector as well as sampler, and the column compartment. So I explain all the components, not only practically but theoretically. We are looking at several types of columns. So the column, we have this column that is used for routine testing. So it's the longest type of column, 300 millimeter. For pharmaceutical program, we do the assay analysis, content uniformity analysis, as well as related substance analysis using the Tylenol tablets. We have a lab procedure that allows students to do this testing during their training.